Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today, love is in the air.
Oh.
Now, I particularly think that love is something that we should spread and share every day. So the fact that we have one day set aside a year for it, it's kind of sad. But nevertheless, we're going to turn around and make it fun. And today we have our strawberry bruschetta. We're going to show you how to do it. This is what it looks like right now. And we have our salad, our strawberry salad, that we're also going to do for you with our homemade dressing. Okay, so here is our bruschetta. It just came out the oven. We just let it cool down for 2 minutes. And I'm not stingy at all. I'm pretty generous. So I'm going to put a lot of cream cheese on here for you. So Ian's gonna pour the dressing. Put the 3.
Wow.
Strawberry bruschetta. Look at our salad and all of that glorious dressing.
Ooh,
and I can't wait to try this refreshing strawberry bruschetta. Let's dig in.
Okay, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Strawberry bacon salad.
We're gonna do our entree and then we're gonna do our tasty dessert. So here we have, you know I love colors because colors represents what, Ian?
Nutrition.
Nutrition first and foremost, and then it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye.
Of course.
So we have our beautiful purple potatoes, yellow, and red. And then we have a beautiful rainbow chipped carrots. And chips because they're cut like chips. And our mango puree marinated salmon, which we're going to top with pistachios and sun-dried tomatoes. Yes, you heard me. Gotta get the red in there. So first what I'm gonna do is show you how I cut the potatoes and all the flavorings that I put to go to have your roasted potatoes. And then Ian will do the salmon. He'll put it with the pistachios and the sun-dried tomatoes, and then we will do a honey glazed carrot. All gonna be in the oven so that way you can go make yourself dolled up for your loved one.
And here are a list of ingredients.
So I am getting ready to cut our potatoes to show you how our roasted scrumptious ranch Parmesan potatoes come out, and Ian is going to take care of his salmon with his sun-dried tomatoes and pistachios.
Yes.
The smaller you can cut your potatoes, the quicker they'll cook. So here we have our lovely herb de Provence, and I love this herb. Like I said, it comes from the South region of France. Here we have our ranch seasoning. So I put in the herb de Provence, the ranch seasoning, and our Parmesan Reggiano, and that's it for that. And so we're gonna mix this all together, and we're gonna just put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Here's our vitamin content.
I have just a spray bottle, which I put EVOO in it, and you could pour it if that's easier for you, or you can spray as well. You just wanna just make sure your potato is fully coated, and it is fully coated here. So I'm just gonna put this on my baking sheet. So it's like a really quick dinner, so you can come home and, you know, kind of relax a little bit before you celebrate with your loved one. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of spread this out here. And because we don't have a lot on our tray, we're also gonna put our carrots on the side. So here's our bowl for our carrots. We're gonna put our rainbow carrots here. We're gonna put our garlic. Then we're gonna put our onions and a little cinnamon. Makes our life better and better, as it does help curb your appetite. Some nutmeg and a little turmeric is great for inflammation. Some honey. Mix that all up together and just put it on our baking sheet. We're gonna put it on 400 for 25 minutes. Right. I was supposed to put my sun-dried tomatoes here. Lucky it's still here. Because we gotta get that red. Now, Ian is gonna put this in the oven.
Yes.
And we'll see you back shortly. E, look at the beautiful Valentine's Day meal that we made.
Very, very beautiful.
You know what time it is, E?
It is bon appetit time.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
Delicious.
The flavors.
The salmon is phenomenal.
Yeah.
The carrots, with that ranch
Yeah.
seasoning dressing on it, ooh, and the Parmesan mixed together, to die for.
So what do you think?
Ian, I'm loving every bite.
So am I.
Well, we can't end the night without having some scrumptious dessert. And what better dessert than having a nice, healthy strawberry coated in dark chocolate with some healthy nuts. We have crushed almonds and crushed pistachios. And so we've already kind of done some, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, if you're interested in getting a chocolate melter, leave me a comment and I'll let you know how you can get it. Let's go in. So you want to hold your strawberry by the stems. Make sure your chocolate is fully melted. Make sure that your strawberries are washed and fully dried, and actually let it be out in room temperature at least for an hour so all that cold mist from the refrigerator is off of it. So now you have your stem. You want to just dip it in your chocolate, and the key is to kind of shake it to make sure all that excess chocolate comes off. Pretty much, it's almost over. So now you can take your almonds, coat it in your almonds, and then just place it on your tray. We'll do two more. Dip in your chocolate, shake it. Now you can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. I'm using actually Ghirardelli melting chocolate. Okay, so this is coated here. And then our last one, we're just gonna do a little drizzle on it, like we have on this one. Definitely want to wear gloves for that because it can be a little messy, and also because you're probably going to be eating it with someone or gifting it to someone.
Right.
Okay, settling down.
This beautiful tool that you have, Mama. That's
Thank
kind
you.
of neat.
So this helps you kind of bring your lines. And voila! You have all of your strawberries decorated here. We have the plain one that has the drizzle here. And we have the pistachio ones. Pistachio. And then we have the almond ones. Something for you and your loved ones to enjoy. And enjoy Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
And
Valentine's
do not
Day.
forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. And subscribe so you can get new content from us weekly. And we look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Don't forget to share.
Yes. And be part of the family.
Yes.
Always
Wash
be
up the
part of
family.
the family. Take
Bye.
care now.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.